attention and be so good. So, we're starting. I know the screen is kind of shaky. But, so nervous today because this is my second video I did. So, it's loading. Good thing I'm not in X-Life. That's a mod, by the way, if you don't know it. It has a lot more stuff than vanilla Minecraft. What's up? It's been a minute. Still loading? Whoa, it's so laggy. Why am I in a jungle? Why am I in a jungle? And where's my stupid chest? I put Bill's chest on, right? Hello, am I digging for it? What do I need to dig it? Oh man, I'm glad I'm in this jungle. Is there sun in here? I hate it. I don't have a chance. Is that burned? Oh, that's lava. You get away from me. I'm literally on the tree. Don't know what to do. Go. Let's get this down. Where should I go? I don't want a jungle. I should probably make a house next to this. And I'm gonna make this right here. You need wood for the house. I know, but I'm cutting the leaves right now. That's why. I'm talking to my sister. Soon she's gonna be with me vlogging. Because this is my first video. I don't want to cut the
That's not your first video.
This is your second.
First video was about nature.
Yeah. Nature life. Chop.
What's your, how many views do you want to have?
Like a...
How many views?
3 million. I am. Stop it. Guys, so please subscribe because like she always talking about me. I don't have any subscribers.
Actually, don't. You only have 1 subscriber, and that subscriber
I have 3.
is me.
You dummy. I have 3 subscribers.
Yeah, because your mom told the others that not to subscribe. So guys, actually subscribe.
Yeah.
Steve. What's your name? What's your name?
I don't know. Now I need to craft the axe and axe. And a pickaxe. the cave? What's up,
Why
cave?
didn't you have your crafting?
Where's the cave?
Get
I
your crafting
needed it.
table, Get your crafting table.
I'm
Are
gonna
you
build my
stupid?
house in this area. You
Then
stupid.
just-
Wait, I need a hoe.
A hoe? What do you need for a hoe?
To chop down these stupid leaves.
You already have wood. Are you stupid? What the heck?
Oh, what? See, guys, like.
He's
I
a
don't
noob.
know.
He's a noob at Minecraft. I'm a pro builder.
She's a pro builder. Don't try to mess around with me. Try to mess around with that.
That's not me.
Don't do this.
Don't talk to me.
I miss it. My sister's on my dad's phone. You are.
Shut up.
You are. Oh yeah.
Where's PKXD? Did you download PKXD?
On what? On your tab?
No, on yours. On
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
What? Why?
I don't want this stupid.
Because what?
Because I need to restart everything like.
It's okay. What the heck? No.
I hate that. Like, I don't want to restart the entire thing.
That is
Oh, great.
oh, just why are you using your axe?
It's gonna break so fast.
And also,
What are these? I'm getting them. These are seeds.
cocoa melons. Oh,
Cocoa beans.
why did I say cocoa melon?
I never think of the cocoa.
Cocoa
You know cocoa melon, it's a baby,
baby channel. Kids channel.
baby kids. And not baby kids.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa. You no, Papa.
Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth.
That's the grossest sound.
Next I want you to sing with me.
With A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and I hate you, grass.
Why do you hate the grass?
You literally kicked me. He didn't kick
They
me.
kicked me.
He kicked me out of the house, okay? Sorry for my nose. My nose is just like
He's sick. I don't know.
It's been 9 minutes, so
Why do you have a channel that is English?
there's a cat climbing a tree. I don't know if you guys. I don't know if you guys saw that, but there was a freaking cat just climbing a tree. Rewind the footage and MISS in the ranks. The drinks in the bring along. Well, now I'm gonna cut the grass with the apple. Stone. This is what I do when I speedrun. I just dig underground and get all the cobblestone. I should probably do a speedrun video. If you want me to do a speedrun video, just like this video right now.
Why do you have a channel that you say in English? Why isn't it in Arabic? Wow.
I don't speak Arabic. I can. I speak Arabic, but there's a lot of guys like speak English.
People, not guys.
People and guys. Oh, I need this. Or else I do a shell shocker. Shell shocker. Why would I need a shell? Hurry up. I just need to make a house right now. You know, I'm gonna make it whatever. With whatever block I have. Why is it raining? Why does it need to rain? I need to block this door. Do I have any blocks? Give me 2. I can't make a door. A door. Look at these stupid blocks that I use. Oh, imagine someone's on the tree. Like, now I need to stay in my house for the longest day.
Are you crazy?
What?
Are you crazy?
What?
Are you crazy?
No,
Why? Why are you talking English?
because
Because what? I love English.
I speak Arabic, but I like speaking English.
I know what my sister did.
Taking a little peek. Imagine a spider saw me and just climbed over me. If I hear a spider, I'm gonna be scared. But oopsies. Don't tell anyone what